Professional development. Mappineering is a valuable tool for professional development. Place professional development at the center of your mind map. Branch out to training and workshops, continuing education, peer collaboration, and reflective practice. Under training, list specific workshops and seminars. For continuing education, include courses and certifications. This visual layout helps you plan and track your professional growth activities. Mind maps can make your development journey more structured and purposeful, helping you stay updated with the latest educational trends and practices. Can you dig it? I knew that you could. Peace.